Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do CC color correction in CapCut so your videos look cinematic and professional. So without any delay, let's get started.
Lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the light that sets me
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And keep supporting the channel for more amazing editing tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.